In a world where speed and innovation set the rules of progress, railway vehicles have played an important role in the evolution of transport. From small carts that move swiftly on the tracks, to amazing solutions that exceed all expectations, to systems that have completely changed the way we travel, each of these clever transports has left a deep mark on the history of modern mobility. In this video, I will show you 10 railway vehicles that have changed the history of transport. Number 10. Railway inspection carts. Railway inspection carts, also known as speeders, are small vehicles developed in the early 20th century. They were made to quickly carry railway workers and their tools along the tracks. Over time, these small railway carts that could hold between 2 and 6 people became essential for maintaining the tracks, as they could reach areas where larger trains could not go easily. However, by the middle of the century, larger and more versatile vehicles started to appear, marking the beginning of the end of widespread use of speeders by railway companies. Despite this, many of these carts have been preserved and restored by enthusiasts and collectors. Today, there are various excursions organized on unused railway lines, where railway fans can experience what it's like to drive these fascinating railway vehicles. Number 9. Dwarf Train. In the heart of Glasgow, Scotland, there is one of the smallest and most unique metro systems in the world. The Glasgow Metro, or affectionately called the Dwarf Train, is a tiny transport system that was opened in 1896. It is one of the oldest and smallest in physical size, operating on a closed loop under the city. With a length of 10 kilometers, the system has two circular lines that move in opposite directions. The nickname Dwarf Train comes from the small size of the trains, which are only 2.5 meters high and 2.3 meters wide, compared to the usual metro trains that are 3.5 to 4 meters high and 3 meters wide. Despite their small size, the dwarf trains of Glasgow are extremely efficient and carry thousands of passengers daily. This curious system has remained relevant and operational for over a century, adapting to modern needs while keeping its compact design and historic charm. Number 8. Railway fire trucks. Railway fire trucks are specialized vehicles designed to respond to emergencies that may happen on train tracks quickly and effectively. These incredible vehicles are equipped with a high rail system, allowing them to operate both on regular roads and on railway tracks. This gives them crucial versatility in emergencies. These surprising fire trucks have become important for ensuring safety in railway environments, especially on long train lines or in rural areas where access can be difficult and response time is critical. They are an invaluable resource for railway companies and emergency teams. Number 7. Miniature railways. Miniature railways are a charming mix of hobby, engineering, and education, allowing train fans and the general public to experience the world of railways firsthand, though on a very small scale. Every part, from the locomotives to the wagons, and from tunnels to signals, tends to be well-made mini replicas of their full-size counterparts. This creates a lot of admiration from those who have the chance to see them. There are many places around the world where you can see and even take a ride on these small trains. The trains can be as varied as the scenery around them, but all of them have one clear intention: to attract and surprise anyone who is at least a little interested in the mechanics and history of railways. Number 6. Ro-Ro trains. Ro-Ro roll-on, roll-off trains are an efficient and widely used solution for transporting vehicles by rail. This system allows vehicles to be loaded and unloaded directly onto railway platforms via ramps, optimizing logistics and reducing the need for complex transfers. India is one of the places where these trains are especially useful because of its regions that are hard to reach by road. This operation is also cheaper, as a fully loaded Ro-Ro train can carry between 50 and 60 vehicles, saving a lot of money on fuel. In some cases, these trains have even carried more than 100 vehicles in a single trip. Number 5. Bimodal vehicles. Bimodal vehicles, also known as high rails, are an innovative and efficient solution for maintaining and supervising railway networks. These vehicles, which can be of almost any type, have the unique ability to operate both on regular roads and on railway tracks thanks to a dual-wheel system that includes both rubber tires for roads and steel wheels for tracks. This dual capability allows Hyrails to move quickly on roads to a railway access point and then continue their journey on the tracks. This makes them essential for track inspections, repairs, and emergency tasks. However, caution is needed as sometimes these vehicles can encounter an oncoming train, which could cause a major scare. Number 4. Autonomous trains. The Autonomous Rail Rapid Transit System ART from China combines the efficiency of light rail with the flexibility of conventional vehicles. You might think the Chinese just invented the bus, but no, this system goes far beyond a simple bus. It uses autonomous guidance, following lines painted on the road instead of tracks. These trains can be installed quickly and on almost any route, running without human intervention. Our trains are highly efficient in sustainable city development, offering a public transport solution that is not only fast and flexible, but also adaptable to different urban environments. It is ideal for growing cities that want to improve their mobility without the complications and costs associated with traditional rail systems. Number 3. Mountain train. The steepest funicular in the world, the Swiss Deuce, is a true marvel of modern engineering in mountain transport. Opened in 2017, this impressive transporter has gained fame for being the steepest funicular in the world, with a maximum slope of 110%, which equals a 47.7-degree angle. Its design is just as impressive, with carriages equipped with floors that automatically adjust to the slope, ensuring passengers remain comfortable during the ride despite the steep incline. This fascinating funicular operates safely and efficiently, offering a quick connection between the village of Schwyz and the picturesque alpine village of Steus. Number 2. Inclined plane for boats. The inclined plane of Ronquiers, located in Belgium, is an enormous structure that allows boats to move between different levels of the Brussels-Charleroi Canal. This amazing system works like a train for boats, using two large tubs that move on inclined tracks, in which the boats are placed. Opened in 1968, the Ronquiers inclined plane has become an essential part of the canal infrastructure, greatly improving the logistics of water transport in the region. Number 1. Flying trains. Flying trains offer a spectacular way of transportation. Though they exist in several parts of the world, in Japan, they are especially used due to the need for efficient space use because of high population density and limited buildable land. These systems operate on elevated tracks from which the carriages hang, maximizing airspace and avoiding road traffic problems. In densely built cities, where horizontal expansion is limited, these suspended trains are highly valued not only for improving urban mobility, but also for providing a smoother, quieter ride than traditional ground-based trains. This makes the experience of traveling on public transport much more enjoyable.